I think one of the most nerve-wracking things about coming to a school the size of Michigan is how large classes are going to be. However, only 7% of our classes are over 100 students, and 84% of them are under 50, which means that most of your classes will actually be closer to the size that you're used to in high school. Regardless of the size of the class, a professor is going to be the one who teaches the main lecture. However, if you are in a larger class, then they will break down that larger lecture into sections of about 20 to 30 students with a graduate student instructor, or GSI, who will break down lecture material, answer any questions you have, and give you the opportunity to work with your classmates, which can be harder to do in a larger lecture environment. And if you still have further questions, both your GSI and your professor will have office hours every week in which you can go in to ask those questions, or even if you don't have any, you can simply walk in just to introduce yourself and start to take advantage of those relationships you have the opportunity to build with professors here at Michigan.